right, boss. All right, you ready? Let's go, baby. What's up? Let's go, baby. Ooh, it feels nice, man. Man, it hasn't felt this nice in a long time, man. It's been too cold. It's been too hot. It's been raining. Sucks. So yeah, so we're gonna bend this left and then head that way. It's a little tricky at that next light because I'll show you. Just follow me. What the fuck are you doing? So I'm leading. He lives by me, but we live really, really close to each other. So he's never been over here before. So what we're doing is basically showing him a new way to get home. All right, man. He knew where he was going. He knew where he was going, so he didn't know where how to get out of here. So he was telling me he was going to follow me. He was going to follow me out. I thought he was going to take this new way all the way with me, though. I guess he decided not to. He knew where he was at when we got to that point, so. know where I'm going, but I always put my navigation on just to make sure like there's not something I'm running into. About this though, you can just put it in 6th gear and just cruise, man. Like, you don't have to be like I don't know, like you don't have to be choking this thing or constantly in low gears. Just get this thing to a cruise speed and then just cruise it.